Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing just now. My inspiration for this came from this photo here. So that is on Instagram. It's sort of like a drawing or animation, I don't know, something like that, but this is where I seen it and I thought that is such a cool idea. I like the idea with the kind of tears coming from the eyes rather than it being sort of like drips, but I think mine kind of looks like drips, I don't know. And then obviously I just did the other side myself just to sort of play off one another, but yeah, I really like how it turned out. And obviously with all the sort of, I've just got that all in my hair, obviously with all the sort of like pride things and really colourful things, rainbow things and all that out just now, I thought it was rather fitting. And yeah, I don't think I've actually ever done a look kind of like this before, where all the drama is under the eyes instead of on top of the eyes. I thought kind of halfway through that I would do both eyes different, and yeah, I don't know, it's something a little bit different, something a little bit more fun, something a little bit more creative, even though I don't have an artistic bone in my body. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoy it. Anyway, if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Obviously, if you enjoy this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I usually post videos 3 times a week. I have been really busy lately and haven't really kept on top of it. But if you're subscribed, you don't need to know what days of the week I post because you will be notified, especially if you've clicked on the bell. So, or let's hope anyway. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Okay, so we are starting today with the P. Louise base. Yes, I have been converted. I do really like it. And we're going to use my Melt Rust stack. So here I'm using the shade Rubbish, and we're keeping all the drama on our lower lash line today. So we're just going to do a really easy sort of soft smoky brown something on the top. I'm using the shade Rust now and I'm just deepening up that crease a little bit. Then I'm going to take the lightest shade in the stack. I can't remember what it was called, but I'm just going to use that sort of on my inner corner just to blend it out. I really like this look for like a sort of everyday quick going out look, but I don't smoke out the lower lash line or anything like that. I'm just going to go straight in with my eyeliner and do the sort of drip effect that you've seen in the last clip. So I did actually start with my eyeliner and it did dry out a little bit, so I went on to this really tiny brush and I'm using the Revolution Pro pigment pomades in black. Here is where it gets a little bit tricky. I took the 25L from Morphe and started mixing that with some mixing liquid to make some shades, and the other ones are the pigment pomades from Revolution Pro. So it was a little bit of a nightmare trying to get these to work, trying to get the different colours. You could probably use face paints if you had like liquid liners or cream liners, things like that, that you could use in all these different colours. That would be so much better. But I decided at the end that everything was just a little bit too muted for me, so I did actually go back with the neon pigments that I used a couple of videos back and brightened everything up. Here you can see me doing the green. I added a couple of little sort of other teardrops, and then I went back with my liner after I'd let it sort of sit and get all of its liquidiness back, and went and just re-outlined everything. Then I added some lashes and we moved over to the other eye. The other eye I decided to do more colourful on the top. I probably could have gone a little bit more colourful, but I didn't want it to be too sort of contrasty with the other eye, if you know what I mean. So I just kind of did it pinky coral, and then on the lower lash line, instead of doing all colours, I decided to just do black. Just so there was a sort of comparison of, I don't know what was going through my head, but I actually think it turned out pretty cool. I did exactly the same. Over on the other side, the only difference is I did a little bit of shading and a little bit of highlighting, that's what the little white dots are. Here, as you can see, I just filled all of that in black, and then I decided to go for a red lip, and here is the final look. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box below. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!